Hey guys, welcome to another video. So in this video we are going to talk about some of the very common mistake every beginner in Facebook advertising make, and these are some of the reasons why your campaigns are not working or why you're not getting results from your Facebook ads. So let's get straight into the video. Let's go to the screen and understand what are those mistakes and how can you avoid them. So yeah, let's go to the screen right now. If you can see on my screen, I'll just quickly create a campaign, and let's just go to the conversion campaign, continue. I'll just quickly create a dummy campaign right now. So yeah, and next ad set. Yeah, so majorly what the mistakes are usually done on ad set level, obviously, because that's where the targeting is. No matter how good your ad copy or your ad is, if your targeting is not good, if you're not reaching out to the right people, it doesn't make sense. So what are those mistakes? Let's understand. The first very common mistake, let me just select an event here. So lead event, obviously my pixel is not set for this account, or you want to have that fixed also. So yeah, let's go to the first mistake. The first very common mistake is that you are actually your detailed targeting expansion, which is this. If you see, it is already by default checked by Facebook, and you let it checked. If your audience is fairly large, you don't need this option, right? If you see, there are 410 million people total, okay, and your detailed targeting expansion is on, so it is actually expanding it to all more people, reaching out to more people who are more likely to be interested in your product. So you want to have that unchecked. Okay, make sure that I'll make you understand this, how much of a change it does when you target. So let's come back and let's say that you have a client, education client, and let's say you want to promote their product. So one of the program they might have is an MBA program, most common program, and you want to promote that program, right? So how do you target for an MBA program? Let's understand that. Let's say we want to go ahead and target for US. So I'll just target it for US. Yeah, so location target is set. US total, if you see, the number of people are around 270 million people, right? And then if you come to age level targeting, obviously since it is MBA program, mostly it is for graduate level people. So you are going to be selecting 21 to let's say 40 or 35, whatever you want to go ahead with, you can do that. I'll just select 21 to 40 for this case here. Now, what normally people would do is go ahead and target people based on interest. So MBA, if they select MBA and then they select bunch of other interest here, business school, master business education, masters of business, or master's degree, or postgraduate education, right? Yeah, postgraduate education. So majorly this is what people do. And if you see the targeting level, or if you see the amount of people right now is 8.5 million people, that's the amount of people you're going to reach out to if you just run the campaign for these. But make sure you laser focus your targeting, you narrow it down by multiple layers of your targeting levels, so that it just reaches out to the people who are very strongly interested in your product. How do you do that? So we will add one more layer to this audience. Obviously, as I said, an MBA program needs to have a bachelor's degree, right? So we will need to add a layer, all of these people who are interested in this, and they should also have a bachelor's degree. So education, you go to browse, demographic, education level, associate degree, college grad. Yeah, let's choose college grad, and you can just go to professional degree, right? So these are the people I would select right now. If you see, it has come down to 3 million people, fairly okay audience, right? We can also exclude people who already have masters, because obviously they are not going to do their master's degree. So demographic, education level, and let's exclude masters. And you can also exclude probably doctorate. We had doctorate, yeah, so doctorate degree, so you can exclude those people. So if you see, it is just almost same, 3 million people, right? So this is what my targeting is. Now I want to layer it by one more layer with people who are just interested in education. They are interested in all those things and education. So once I do that, it is coming down to, if you see, 2.4 million people, which now I would say is fairly okay audience. You can decrease your age also by what you need. Let's say if I go to 21 to 35, so it has come down to 1.8 million people, right? So I'll try and test and run this one and see this level of targeting right now. It's a fairly okay audience right now than what you had just with these interest targeting. So it's very, very important to have to add layers of targeting in interest, so that you can refine your audience, very, very laser focused. Now if you see, if I'll just tell you that option, detailed targeting expansion, let's say if I keep that on, what happens is the audience, the potential reach has gone up to 18 million people, which is very broad audience right now. 1.8 million people to 18 million people, 10 times the reach. So you don't need this option, obviously. As I said, if you have fairly good audience, which is 8 million, we already have 1.8 million people. If it is just few thousands, then you might need that option to expand your targeting to much more people who can be interested in your product. Now this is just for one dummy product I have taken, which is MBA. You can apply it for your businesses also. Add multiple layers of targeting and avoid reaching out to the people who are not interested in your product. You just want to reach out to the people who are interested in your product very, very very much actually. So I guess hope you like this video. If you do give a thumbs up, do subscribe to this channel. I would I will come up with many other types of targeting also. So this is just interest level targeting. There are custom audience, lookalike audience, or retargeting also, how to do them effectively. I'll come up with those videos also. Stay tuned, do subscribe, and I'll meet you in next video. Thank you. Bye bye.